Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you our new Reserve Engine 31. It's from Jix Apparatus. I'm just going to be going through a walkthrough, so let's get started. First, I'm going to start out with the commands and driving and everything like that. So, I'm just going to turn off all the lights. This is the headlights, our left flood, right flood, our rear flood. It lights up a lot of places on this truck. And I'm going to show you the ELS on and off, all that. So this is the rotor array, all the ELS on it. It's pretty nice, I like it, but one thing that I don't like about this truck is it doesn't have the traffic visors. That's what I hate about this. So, and I have to put a hose script on here after Roblox Studio, but it'll be showing you the sirens also. Here's our power call. Here's our Q2B. Here's our wheel. Our yelp. Our power. And here's our Q. That's our Q siren. And our horn is this. Alright, I'm just gonna pull into here and show you all. Alright. So the cool thing about this truck is the battery switch looks like this. So when I turn on the battery, it makes that noise. And this light turns on, then when I hit that, it actually starts. In the back here, we have our seats, firefighters, all that. I have to make an interior on this thing also. Here's our pump panel. This is the engineer's job. And to turn this on, you're probably curious. If you're familiar with Apparatus in Roblox, you usually see like a button to turn this on, but actually come in here right there. See, when I click it, when it's in pump, this turns on, and you can turn on the PSI and all that. And sadly, but these compartments do not open, and it's an E1 Typhoon, that's what it is. Here's our hose bed, our E1 logo. Just the intake side, you have the flippin'. Oh, I'm curious why you could click this. You can click this, but this is our trash line booster, all that. And this apparatus is actually a 2021. It actually has the, where is it? It has the new one, because the old ones on Apparatus and Roblox usually have this as the orange color, but he changed it, Jix changed it to a yellow. You can attach hose. This is without the hose script. You have our lights when the battery is on. It should be, yes it is. Yeah. Alright, I'm just gonna go drive it around and see. Go really fast if there's something. Let's go try. So this is our first person. Alright, thanks for watching our discovery about this 2021 Yulin Typhoon. It's a good truck. It'll be placed right in there as a reserve truck for 31. And that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Peace out.